I'll be there to lift you from the ground. Don't be afraid, just let me in. Love me and I'll do the same.
Hi everybody, it's me Hannah.
And it's me, Marquita.
Today we are going to try the popcorn.
Yeah.
And if we buy them at Walgreens.
At Walgreens, yep, you're right.
And we just got home. Something nasty.
Well, no, we got home like 2 hours ago. 2, 3.
And we are...
And the girls already tasted it, but I haven't. It's Cracker Jacks Holiday
and
Sugar Cookie Popcorn.
And these are chocolates.
Yeah. And this is what they look like. They're like candy coated.
And here's mine. Here's
taste.
mine with the sprinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah. You know what this tastes like? It's nasty. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at nasty. This tastes like they cooked the popcorn in bacon grease. It tastes like sugar cured bacon. Yeah.
Oh, I got a lot of sprinkles.
Yeah.
Look at this sprinkle.
Here's 2 of them. Tastes like bacon fat.
So, I can actually skip from this.
It tastes like they cooked
That
that.
was my stomach.
Like somebody fried some bacon and was like, oh, well, let me pop some popcorn. And pop the popcorn in bacon fat. I mean, if it was just like
if
the
it was salted, it might be okay.
Yeah, but does it taste like
bacon cured, but
like?
I don't really taste the bacon. I mean, maybe a hint.
No, that tastes like bacon
like
fat.
a really bad popcorn.
Mommy.
Yeah, I see it. Look, I'm gonna try it again.
Mine don't actually taste nasty. With the sprinkles.
Yeah. Tastes like bacon grease.
Mine don't.
I do not recommend y'all eat that. If y'all like the taste of bacon grease, you will like it. Like I said, if it was like, I'm expecting sweet and it's savory. No dice. That tastes like bacon grease or a ham hock or a shank. If y'all had a shank or y'all had a ham hock, with some pinto beans, guess what that tastes like? That tastes like that you're eating the meat from the ham hock or the shank with some pinto beans. No. Do not ever do that again, Cracker Jacks. You're messing up. Leave a classic the way that it should be left. A classic. Leave the recipe alone. Y'all doing too much. You can't put your big fat toe in everything. You got anything else to say, Hannah?
Nope.
You got anything else to say, Gary?
Nah.
Savannah's asleep, so I guess she don't got nothing else to say. Now I guess. Like, comment, subscribe.